Claude is the most underrated AI right now. Most people use 10% of its features. Here are 7 things Claude does that ChatGPT can't. 1. Projects, your persistent workspace. Feature 1. Projects. Upload your company docs, brand guidelines, product specs. Claude remembers everything across conversations. It's like having an employee who read your entire knowledge base. 2. 200K context window. 3. Artifacts, live code preview. 4. Claude Code, AI in your terminal. 5. MCP, connect to any tool. 6. Thinking mode, watch it reason. 7. System prompts that actually work. Start using Claude like a pro today. Free at Claude.ai. Subscribe for more AI tutorials.